Okay, let's make our calendar.
It's April 2020. Let's make a calendar.
We have
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
What day of the week is it? Today is Thursday.
Great job! Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020.
Okay, we said today is
Thursday.
And we are going to count and clap to 30. Ready? Here's a big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Great counting.
30th. Great job.
Great job. So it's the end of our month. Tomorrow we start a new month. Let's take a look. We said today is Thursday. So everybody point to Thursday on their screen like this. Great job pointing.